Hello viewers, this is Adil Musfani. You are watching Codiant Prime channel. So today I will discuss about how to install the Git, and this is a powerful for programmer. So let's begin and start the download Git. Here is the websites, official websites. So you can download it Windows because I am using Windows, and here you see that there are two versions are screen just like 32 bits and 64 bits. So I am using 64-bit machine, so I can do it, install and download it 64-bit Windows setup. Click it, and here is the install, but I have already downloaded it, and then let's install it and see it. They are asking about installation process, so I will use this default settings. So next, and here is the path, C program files and with the name of Git, and also choosing the default settings because I never change anything of it, and next. So here you see that installation process is started. It's take a few times, and just like 20 to 30 seconds they will install it. This is my first video, so if you are enjoying this video, please share it, subscribe my YouTube channels, and also click on the bell icons buttons, share it and like it to our friends. So I will share a new stuff on next episode, so please keep calm and stay home. Thank you.